It's not about being a loner. It's not about being a loner to everywhere I'm going. It's not about being a loner in everything I'm doing. It's not about being a loner in every decision I make. Yes, it's not about being a loner, but being alone to take every opportunity that makes me happy. To those places that makes me stop, pause, and reflect on everywhere I'm going. Those places that gives me peace and happiness. Those places that gives healing inside me that no one else can give. And most especially that opportunity to talk to Him where no one knows what I'm doing kasi di ka nila kilala at di nila alam kung sino ang kinakausap at ano ang sinasabi mo. Pero di nila alam that you're talking to Him and asking for His guidance for everyday living. Those places na kahit maingay sa paligid pero nakakalanghap ka ng hangin at nakakahinga ng malalim. That's why everywhere I go, if there's an opportunity to magtambay kahit sandali, I always make sure to meditate and talk to Him. Kasi iba pa rin ang nasa labas ka at nakakahinga ka ng maluwag na walang nakakakita at nakakakilala sa iyo para hindi sila mag-alala na baka may pinagdadaanan kang mabigat na problema. So yes, always find time to talk to Him. So ayan, I love you all guys, but God loves you more. God bless po mga kapatid.